Hello everyone. I am A. Sanjushri from BE third year. Now I'm going to explain our project. So before that, in today's world, securing personal and valuable item has become increasingly important. From lockers and key-based lockers on basis of single-level security, which can be easily misused or bypassed. This creates a need for a smarter, more reliable security system that not only restrict access but also actively monitor and alert the user. Because the world is evolving modern, so we also need to give a modern solution according to the technology. So why we have to rely on a always just a basic lock when our valuable items which cost lakhs kind of cash, which have to be kept only just a locker. We have to give a smart based locker. To address this, we developed our project called GodX, a smart IoT based anti theft system designed to protect valuable using multi factor authentication and real time monitoring. So GodX follows a two-factor authentication approach. The first level of authentication is RFID, where only a registered RFID card, which can be called a master card, can initiate access. The second level is app-based authentication, where the user must confirm or control the system through a mobile applications. This ensures that even if one factor is compromised, unauthorized access is still prevented. Once the system is armed, Godex continuously, for example, you can access through the, you can control the Godex box through the app. Also, whenever you go outside, you can arm the Godex system through your app. So when you click on the box, it asks for the scan RFID. So you have to scan the registered RFID card. Then only it allow it on the box. And when again you want to unarm the box, you have to follow the same procedure. Similarly, during the arm time, if someone tries to move, tilt, or immediate system. Like immediate sudden movements action which are related to theft based, the system immediately detects this as suspicious activity. At the moment, a local alarm, a buzzer is triggered, and to alert nearby people, and a real-time notification is sent to the owner's mobile app through IoT connectivity. In addition, our app allows the user to remotely monitor the system, receive alerts, and disarm it when access is authorized. The combination of RFID authentications, app-based control, intelligent sensor monitoring makes Godex a secure, reliable, and user-friendly anti-theft solution. Overall, Godex product protects valuable things. It is mainly specially built for hostel students who always struggles to secure their valuable things in their hostel. So, for example, a Godex can be designed as a box. So, designed as a box or a keychain which can be embedded to any kind of devices through to which you want to you can attach the Godex and protect it. So first level of Godex can be designed as a box. Every small valuables like cards, keychains, and any other small valuables like jewelry, anything can be kept inside the box, and the box can be armed through the app. And whenever you want to disarm or arm the app, you arm the box. You have to scan the RFID must. If you don't have RFID, the box can't be armed. Even if someone stole your RFID, it definitely need a app based authentication. So these factor authentication makes the Godex very reliable and secure and scalable solution for all the hostel students and normal public and everyone in this world. So Godex gives a better solution for this modern world. Let me show the demo of the Godex. So this is the Godex demo. First, we have to. So this is the login page of the Godex. User must register the app by creating their email ID and creating the password. And after that, they have to authenticate and enter the system. So this is the dashboard of the Cortex. You can see that there is a four options: initial setup, armed and disarm, and reset master. Now first we have to show the demo. We have to reset the master card. So after reset, okay, here you can see RFID is connected with ESP32. Here RFID is connected with ESP32. We have used MRF 5732 and ESP32 is node MCU, and also a buzzer is connected, and internally we have connected the IMU sensor. After the connection, you can see in the terminal the system is ready to register to wait to register the master card, which is a RFID card. After only registering your personal RFID card, then only the it will be saved as a master card. So whenever you use disarm or off option, the system always checks the registered master ID and with the scanned ID. If it matches, then only it allows. If it doesn't match, it will show any alerts. So here the system is ready to register the master card. It is connected through Wi-Fi. We are using the Firebase for the database. Now the initial setup, here waiting for the setup, it means we have to scan the RFID card. I have clicked the initial setup. So you can, after clicking, the app will send the command to the ESP32. Here after that ESP32 wait to scan for the RFID card, which is the master card to be registered. I have scanned the RFID card here. After scanning, you can see that the master card registered, and after that we can do whatever the options arm or disarm. So now we can click the arm the system. After clicking on the system, we have to scan the RFI, our master ID card to make sure this is authorized card. So it wait for the card to arm. If I use any other unauthorized card, so first I have used white card, that is the authorized one. This is unauthorized card. So it shows unauthorized card in the terminal. Now if I used authorized card, it will show returning to the state. That is, it is the system is armed now. So you can't. Now again to disarm the system. So this is now the system is armed. So now the system is armed. To disarm the system, we have to again click, and to disarm the system, I have to again scan the card. If I scan any other card, it show unauthorized card. If I show the valid card, authorized card, the system will be disarmed. Now again I armed to show the any other tilt movement based detection. So now the currently the system is armed. You can see that here it is waiting. The next stage will be disarm the system. If you want, you have to scan the RFID card. But if you want to show the IMU sensors trigger, now I am going to tilt slightly. This is use accelerometer and gyroscope to detect the system. After it detecting system, it suddenly changes that security breach. This is our goddess. It's the volunteer tilting and everything will be tampered deductions. This is can be done in goddess. So after that, donor can initiate disarm. The disarm can also be done only through the RFID card that is registered for every personal users. If I use unauthorized card, it shows unauthorized card. So while security breach, the IMU motion detects that security breach, and you can see only the valid card will release the system. That's all. Thank you. So this is how our old system works. Also, so the challenges mainly is no real-time alerts, frequent theft case, and lack of smart detection and high-cost existing system. But Godex is very cheap and best for middle-class users, mainly for hostel students. And our solution, proposed solution, instant theft detection, real-time alerts, AI-based decision logic, which is a future MV future versions, and smart disarm options. The market opportunity will definitely high because student or working professional have many valuables which has to be secured, and mainly and travelers, remote workers, and small business owners, smart home users. So the product features which always we have seen. So this is the architecture of the Codex, and our competitive advantage will be AI based false alarm detections, that is not in other systems, and fingerprint app disarming, instant mobile alerts, GPS tracking, it's not in any other systems. So business model only cost this affordable one time purchase 2000, and subscriptions add on 99 per month like that, and bulk B2B offers also. So market validation tractions. Here also our market validation tractions and financial projections. And this is our great team: Sheikh Samrin, Sanushri, and Ashita IMS. So thank you guys. I hope you like our project.